Imagine this, you're typing www.youtube.com into your browser, eager to watch your favorite show or check the news. But have you ever wondered, how does your computer know where to go? How does it find the exact server hosting that website? It feels almost magical, right? Well, behind that magic is something called a DNS server. And today we're pulling back the curtain. Here's a fun way to think about it. The internet is like a massive city filled with billions of houses. Each house has its own address. This is the IP address, a long, complex string of numbers. But let's be real, no one wants to memorize a bunch of numbers just to visit their favorite website. That's where DNS comes in. It's like the phone book of the internet. Now here's the twist. When you type a URL like youtube.com, your computer doesn't actually know what that is. It has to ask the DNS server, "Hey, where can I find this website?" The DNS server looks it up, matches the name to the correct IP address, and sends your computer on its way. All of this happens in milliseconds. But here's where it gets even cooler. DNS servers aren't just one giant database sitting somewhere, they're part of a global distributed network. Think of them like detectives spread across the world. When your local DNS server can't find the address you're looking for, it passes the question up the chain, first to a root server, then to a top-level domain server, and finally to the authoritative name server, which has the exact answer you need. It's teamwork at lightning speed. And it's not just about getting you to your favorite sites. DNS servers also play a huge role in keeping the internet secure and efficient. Ever heard of DNS caching? It's like saving a shortcut to the places you visit often so your browser doesn't have to look them up every single time. Or DNS filtering, which helps block malicious sites before they can even load. But here's something you might not know. DNS servers can also be a target for hackers. Ever heard of a DNS attack? Cybercriminals can hijack these servers to redirect you to fake websites or overwhelm them with traffic, causing outages. That's why modern DNS providers like Cloudflare are constantly working to make them faster, smarter, and safer. So next time you load a website in the blink of an eye, remember the hidden heroes, the DNS servers, working tirelessly in the background to make it all possible. They may not get the spotlight, but without them, the internet as we know it simply wouldn't exist. Cool, right?